Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Range Rover Sport. This is year model 2006 and I'm going to change brake lights to LED lights. This is how the brake light looks and this is OEM light and we're going to change it to LED light. In order to change it, we need to open one Phillips screw from here, one bolt from here which requires 5/16. So first thing we're going to remove the top screw and we're going to remove. So once we remove the screws, you put your hand on this side and firmly we're going to pull it this way. When you pull it this way, it comes out like this. These are the two pins. Those goes into these sockets right here and it locks in. Now we can change the brake light. The brake light is the top one. So as for the brake light, this is on the top. So anti-clockwise you turn it and then you press down and turn it anti-clockwise. The bulb came out. So if we look at this is the brake light when we press the brake pedal. So be careful, don't burn yourself. So now we can pull the bulb out. As you've seen, it's a working bulb. I'll list the part number under my description in case if you want to upgrade yours. It's a good idea that when you're plugging in, use a cloth, use something so you don't touch directly to LEDs, and then we're going to press it down and firmly turn it like this. And now I'm going to test it prior to putting in. Look at this, it's a super bright, it's a nice color. So I'm going to change it the same way on the other side. So now we're going to put it back into the slot, then lock it. Once you put it in, now we're going to go back. These two guide pins, those are going to go in these holes and we're going to press it firmly. Then we're going to put those screws in. So when we're going to put it in, just make sure that all the wiring tucked back nicely. Once this one is aligned to the pin and press it firmly. So now we're going to press it. You heard that sound. So now I'm going to put the screws back in. The same way I'm going to change the other side. That's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your brake light to LED light. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.